the Tranya B530 True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the new Tranya B530 earbuds. The main feature that these new earbuds have are touch controls. The previous models of Tranya earbuds use buttons. I will go over specs, features, provide a microphone sample, and give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get your user manual, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The B530 features 8 hours of listening time, 56 hours with the case, takes about 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case has a flatter design, but the materials used are similar to previous models. It has a plastic smoke top and a matte bottom that provides a good grip. On the front, you will find the charge status LED. And the micro USB charge port is on the side as opposed to the back. The lid uses magnets and it opens and closes smoothly. As mentioned, it has a smoke transparent finish, and the earbuds are held into place by magnets. And you can see the ear indicators etched inside the case. The earbuds have a matte finish on the inside, and the outside is glossy. And you can see the ear indicators marked on the inside. The touch controls has an aqua color accent along the outer edge. Each of the earbuds feature touch controls, LED, charging contacts, microphone, and interchangeable ear tips. And here are the earbuds side by side. Navigating the touch controls are standard and straightforward. They are detailed in the manual. I found the controls to be very responsive. The case comes in at 3 inches by 1.9 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 43 grams and the earbuds come in roughly at 10 grams. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tranya B530 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The earbuds can be used individually if you prefer. The pairing process was also instantaneous. Testing video with an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. This can vary depending on your device and app that are being used. Range was strong and I didn't experience any disconnects as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. So here are my thoughts on the Tranya B530. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The fit of the earbuds are in line with previous models of Tranyas. They were comfortable and it had a nice snug fit. The touch controls are definitely a welcome feature. It made navigating the controls very easy and no added pressure to the ears. It had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality feel solid. The case provides a nice grip and the earbuds feel durable. Size-wise, I would say the earbuds are comparable to the Tranya T3s. Touch controls are responsive as I mentioned earlier, and I had no issues with them. Now let's talk about sound. I expected a bit more with the overall sound. I feel that the sounds it puts out is in line with the Tranya T3s. The bass is pronounced and you get that deep punchy sound for the lows. Vocals and instruments also come in clean and clear. The treble is not too bright, but just enough. Again, pretty much in line with the T3s. Overall, I feel that Tranya has put out some solid models. The B530 is definitely a move in the right direction and will please those that are looking for the touch control option. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.